What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing some unboxing mail time video footage for y'all. So I've been needing to do this for a while, and today I got time. Today. Without further ado, get these open for y'all. I got some razor blades. Maybe I should turn off the dishwasher. You think? Yeah. Let's see what we got up in here. Man, they really taped this up good, man. Shout out to the people at the post office who made this taping happen. Come on. All right, we got it. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let me see the camera. Let's see what we got here. All right, so we have a throttle body, a 3-bolt throttle body, and this is very nice, very clean. From CORTEZ and LS Chevy Rider. Basically, we had some conversation about this. This is the main thing right here. I have, this looks like, this is ICT billet. Shout out to ICT billet. But this is an adapter from, basically, if you're going from, I think, 4-bolt to 3-bolt. So if you have a 4-bolt intake like I have the bread box or the 4th gen style intake, this right here will allow you to use the 3-bolt throttle body. And basically with that, you know, you can use, you know, the original sensor, the original air intake temperature, your throttle body, you got some sensors here that you can reuse, okay? I don't even know the names of them right now, but I'll probably put them down in the description or the links, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, shout out to them for this. We'll get a chance to try this out. He even sent the gasket. Got the gasket here, along with the hardware and some more hardware. So shout out to CORTEZ and LS Chevy Rider for that. All right, so the next package I got is from KEI Fabrication. This is for the Mazda. In case you guys haven't seen it already, make sure you check out the video. I'm gonna have at the end of this video a link on the Mazda. Check it out. But this is for the Mazda. Let me see what it is. I know he said he was gonna send me a couple things, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it real quick and share it with y'all. It's all the way from Rhode Island, and the other one was from Texas. So we're making our way around the United States, guys. All right, should I just go through it real quick, baby? Throw stuff on there. All right. So, man, he sent me a fuel filter. I got a fuel filter. Let's see what else we got here. We got the Weber carburetor. Can't wait to see how this works. A lot of people put these on these 2.2 liter B2200s. Can't wait to do some reviews on that. Hopefully I don't mess it up. You're looking through the camera. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Let's see what else we got. So we put that right there. It's heavy. What else we got? I probably should have worn my gloves, man. This is part of the carburetor, I'm sure. So I'll have to do some research on how to put it together. And then what else we got? This is a lot of stuff in here, man. Shout out to KEI Fabrication. A mechanical fuel pump, an extra fuel pump, and what else? I think this is the air filter. So I'll go ahead and show that to y'all real quick. This is the air filter for the Weber carburetor. So yeah, this is real cool, man. Very thankful. I think that's everything. I don't want to miss anything. Yeah, I think that's everything. Like I said, there's a couple bolts in here. Shout out to KEI Fabrication. Shout out to LS Chevy Rider. Shout out to CORTEZ. Really appreciate y'all. I can't wait to, you know, start getting some of this stuff on the builds. You know, I'm very thankful. So y'all just keep watching the videos. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.